Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE T20 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to begin by opening Devices settings. In them, select Connected Devices and tap on Connection Preferences. Following that, tap on Printing and Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. In order to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher. Then click on the back button, choose Add Service, and install the best one for you. I will go with HP one. When your new service is ready, tap on the back button twice. Then just click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!